Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Kumar Singh. I am from Mechanical Branch MP. Today I am here to present my COM project. My COM project title is Elliptical Trammel. Now I would like to explain about my project. The elliptical trammel is the inversion of a double sliding fan mechanism. It is a simple mechanism which can trace a exact elliptical path. This mechanism that generate the shape of ellipse, and this mechanism is used to draw cut like boards and other sheets of materials. Now show you my project. Uh, in elliptical trammel, there is a four link. First is frame is a fixed link. Frame is fixed and link one, and this connecting rod is a link two, and there is two slider. One this slider is link 3 and another slider is a link 4, and there is two turning pair and two sliding pair, one and this two sliding pair. Like in connecting rod, I am making three holes to making a circle on different radius, and like a working like this. The two slider, one slider goes vertical direction and another slider goes horizontal direction, and this connecting rod going to clockwise direction like this, and we will create this a circle. Working like this, and its application is elliptical trammel is used for drawing ellipse or circle. Thank you.